right here that would rip after us and just try to rip our legs and bite at our shoes. We'd have to ride our fastest. Apple trees, and these guys have not blossomed yet. They're a little always behind cherry blossoms. These people have had this tulip farm forever.
Did you realize that there were like a bunch of people out there and they were just watching you trample all the flowers?
Cherry trees aren't the only thing flowering. We stopped for dinner at Not Just a Bar, and Steph and Cobra did a cool drawing of a hand. Listen to those butt frogs.